Hi, welcome to the Personal History website. We are going to learn about what a personal history is. A personal history is the story of you. To tell your story, you are going to create a timeline. When you're done with this site, you should be able to create a personal history timeline with pictures and stories, describe the relationship between illustrations and the story in which they appear, and engage in group reading activities with purpose and understanding. So here we are at the home page. The first thing that you are going to do is click the Learn button. On this page, you are going to learn about what a personal history is. Read all of this information, then read about the new words. And then once you learn those words, you're going to click here to study those words. Then you have some examples of a timeline and examples of a personal history timeline. So on the Learn page, you're going to learn about what a personal history is. Then you go to the Do page. And on the Do page, you are going to create your personal history timeline. The first thing you need to do on the Do page is to gather everything you need for your timeline. The second thing is you're going to watch the video. And then the third thing on this page is to click this button to create your personal history timeline. Then the last thing, or second to last thing, is the Discuss page. Here, if you have any questions, you can start a topic and post your questions here. Or you can go to the news and you can say, answer the question, what is an important event on your timeline? And then the last page is the Evaluate page. Here's the rubric, or how you're going to be graded on your personal history timeline. And there's a checklist here to make sure you have all parts of your timeline done. But if you're still not sure you have it all correct, you can do these two activities for extra practice. If you have any questions while you're doing this, you can email the teacher by clicking that button. So just to review, you started off on the home page, and then the next page you go to is the Learn page, and this is where you learn about the personal history timeline. Then you click on Do and you go to the Do page, and this is where you're going to create your personal history timeline. Then there is the Discuss page. Here you can post questions if you have any questions, and you can respond to my question. And then the last page is the Evaluate page. And this tells you how you're going to be graded, and then you're going to want to go here to make sure you have everything you need for your timeline. If you have any questions, use this button to email. Okay, have fun learning.